Hey, Mr. David, please come in. How are you?
I'm good, thanks to you. Did you hear something?
About what?
Don't you know? Dr. Rishi won a prize.
Wow, that's great news.
Yes, it's a big deal for a writer. Now his financial situation might get a bit better.
Such a nice man, yet he had money troubles.
Yes, he was struggling a lot.
His family's condition was really bad. It was sad to see.
We've been neighbors for a long time.
Even when he needed money, he never did anything wrong.
His play was also staged recently.
Yes, I went to see it. It was praised on the radio too.
Hard work and patience always pay off in the end.
One day, his work will bring fame to the country.
I already see him as a great writer.
You should go congratulate him. I met him today.
I will go today too.